familiar with the basic computer concepts, or do I have to explain something like this?
No, I'm familiar.
I hope you are also familiar with the basic concepts.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so
Absolutely.
let's start. So today we are going to learn MS Word. Before that, I am sharing my screen as well. Give me a minute only. Okay. The screen sharing. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
We are using this
Yes.
PPT. Okay, we are not using PPT mode. This is a brief intro, so that's why we are using it. I will practically show you each and everything. Sorry. We are using MS Word. So I have listed few of the features here, like we use MS Word to create letters, document, adding images, colors that we see all around these days, working with the kids or working for self. That we use, if we have to type a simple letter these days, we use this software. Can you give me a brief or any example in which you use MS Word or you want to use MS Word? Just give me one example. Unmute.
Yeah, emails, creating folders.
Very good. For creating emails, to keeping notes, for making any document. These days we are more into blogging, and suppose if you want to write a blog or any article, then also we use MS. It means for any documentary work we have to use this word because it has special feature, like you can add, you with a single click you can correct your spellings, you can use any synonyms and more options like this. Moreover, there are certain options to make it more presentable. That means it will be more readable, more approachable. That's why we prefer to use MS Word other than other resources that we have these days. So starting from the first one, how we will start, I'm stopping this share and directly coming with, it would be better if okay. So if we have to start with word, we just type word. This screen will appear. There are two options. Either you will click on blank document or press escape button from your keyboard. This is the first shortcut, that by pressing escape, then this document will be created, or you will click on blank document. Now we will use the term document while we are using Word, because any file that is created in Word is called document. As you can see now, this window is just before you and it has number of rows. Starting from the first one, in which these small icons are here, it is called our title bar. Then menu bar, in which we have file, home, insert, design, layout, and so on. After this, the third one is ribbon. It means basically we have three rows. First one is title bar, second one is menu, and third one is ribbon. In these days, whatever software, like if you are using MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, this layout will remain same. It means if you are working properly with Word, 25% of the options in Excel are same, 25% options of PowerPoint will remain same. So in title bar, you can see we have these three options. This small rectangular or square box, these two symbols, and this arrow. This small bar is called Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. I simply write here Quick Access Toolbar. It is very useful. Any option that you use frequently, you can add here and use it later on without going to any particular menu and then choosing that option. You can directly use it from here. Right now you can see it has three options. First one is to save a document, and the other two are undo and redo. We have three options already in this. First one is save. Second one is, as you move your cursor to any option, you will see its description, undo, and other one is redo. Suppose you have typed something wrong or you have done something wrong and you want to undo it. Simply click on this. You will be one step backward, and if again you want to redo, simply click on this. Now the question arises, suppose if we want to add something of our choice here. You can see there is a small arrow. Click here and you can see there are number of options that we can use. Either you can, if your required option is showing in this list, you can choose from here. Otherwise you can click it here, more commands, and you can see a list of options is shown in this area, and any option that you want to add in quick access toolbar, you can simply select and add this. Suppose let us take an example. Suppose we are adding this insert picture. We are picking it, click on add and click OK. Now you can see my option has been added in quick access toolbar, and later on suppose you don't want to add this option in your quick access toolbar, simply deselect it or again go to more command, select it and remove. Any doubt? Did you get my point?
Yes.
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, can we move further?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the quick access toolbar and we commonly use it, and you can see then it is showing us document 2 here, document 2 and then Word. Document 2 is the name of unsaved file because we have not saved it yet, so that's why it is showing us document 2. Once we save our file, the name of our document will display here, and Word is the name of software that we are using. As I have signed in from my account, so it is showing me Prabjot. If you are using your sign in option here, you will then your name will be displayed here, whatever sign in option you will use. Again, we have three options: minimize, maximize and close. I hope you are familiar with this concept. Minimize means you are just minimizing it in the taskbar, in the status bar, where you are not closing it, you are temporarily making it shorter, so that when you restore your work, you can start it from the place where you have left it already. And then this is the maximize option, which we use to expand our screen. So Kaushiki, can you tell me what are these two buttons indicate when we have two overlapping squares? Can we maximize it further or not?
That is for maximizing.
Yeah, this is for maximizing, but if let me, okay, see, if I click it like this,
Yeah.
it means you can maximize it further. So
Yeah.
right now I have reduced the window size. This is the
Mm-hmm.
exact window size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and once I will double click it, it means it is at its fullest size and we can't resize it anymore.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the maximize option and crosses to close the window.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and
Yeah.
after that we are at the main option, that is menu bar, and along with it we will always use this ribbon option. Any from home to help, from home to help, whenever we click on any tab, ribbon will be replaced with the selected tab options. If we click on insert, the options will be of insert tab in the ribbon. If we click in design, we will be having design options. If we are clicking in layout, the options will be of layout. Okay. So if we are by default home is selected, and we usually have home options. And what about file? File is called backend option. In file, we have backend options in which we have the options like new, open, save, save as, and print, and permission related options are here. You can see there is a tab options in which you want to set some permissions, like you want to set default font and other permissions like this. You will set their settings from these options. Otherwise we have new, open, save, save as, and print options that we use commonly. As what allow us to save our file in different formats. Uh, in which are you anyone can tell me in which formats we can save Word file?
In doc format.
Doc is the default format.
Mm-hmm.
See, when we save a file, we simply click file, save as, and choose a location where we want to save it. Let it by default where it is going. Okay. See, when we click on this arrow, these are the options in which we can save our document. The major advantage of Word is that if suppose you are using any upper version of Word and you want to save it in the lower version, Word will support this also. And in the same way, if you want to support save it in the larger version or the updated version, you can also save it in Word. It will support both the version. You can save it in Word document. Whenever you will be using macros in Word, then you will save it with Word macro enabled document. Word template and number of options are here, which you can opt as per your requirement. Suppose we are using naming this first document, save. Now you can see my document 2 name of file has been changed to first document. Any doubt in this? No. Okay, well done.
Clear.
Okay. So starting from the first option, as all the options that we use in Word are related to documents. So first of all, it means we have to write something and then we will be using all these options. I am taking a quick. Suppose we have this option. Suppose we are using this data. The first thing that applies in Word is there are two options to modify your document. First one is select your font, select your size, select your color that you want to use. And the other one is first type your document and then make changes. You can choose any one in which you will feel comfortable. I would suggest first write your document and then do changes. Likewise, suppose I just want to change font, color, size, and other things related to this data. The first thing that I have to do is to select my data. That you can do from your keyboard or your mouse by simply dragging or simply selecting your content. Font is the name of different styles that we can apply to our text. There, as you can see, I have number of fonts. Choose the font that you want to apply. This is the font. From here, I can choose size. These two options are also related to font size. It means if I am choosing this one, it will increase my font size and it will decrease my font size. If I have to use keyboard shortcuts, I will use Control, Shift and greater than symbol to increase font size. Control, Shift and greater than symbol to increase font size, and Control, Shift and lesser than option to decrease my font size. Clear? In the same way, suppose from this I want to highlight this Megha. I just want that it should be bold, it should be in italics and it should be in underline. So I will simply click bold. You can see my content is in bold. At the same time, I want it italics and underline. From here, we got a conclusion that we can apply any style, any combined with other styles, like there is no compulsion or any restriction that if you are applying bold you can't apply underline, if you are applying italics you can't apply bold. There are no restrictions like this. You can choose any option and apply it as and when it is required. And in case, now suppose you don't want underline option, so what we have to do, we will simply select our information, that is Megha, and deselect this information. Deselecting means again selecting on the same component. Now again, suppose I want to highlight it in any color. As you can see, there are number of A's. A under which this red color is the font color, means text color. Simply click this small arrow. Either you can choose from this prescribed colors or you can click on more colors. From here you can choose on any color and move your cursor up and down to make another color. As you move your cursor up, your color will be in lighter shade, and if you move your cursor down, your color will be in darker shade. This is the font color option. Then sometimes we just want that text should be like this. Underline, instead of underline, we just want to put a line in the center like this, like a strike, like a cutting. Then we use this option to represent a cutout information. Then these are the superscript and subscript. Suppose we want to write information like in exponential form. First of all, we will increase the font so that it is visible. 2 raised to power 5. But it is showing us 25. 5 is not shown at the top as an exponential value. So to make it or display it as an exponential value, I will select 5. Use this superscript option and you can see now my information is turned into 2 raised to power 5. In the same manner, we write like information, sometimes we write information like H2O, in which 2 is subscript at the bottom of H. In this case, I will select 2 and 2 is this. So my question is, if I have to write information 10 raised to power 7, which option I have to use?
The superscript
Do
option.
I have to choose 10 or 7?
7.
7, right. Well, and in the same manner, if I have to write like trademark something like town, and here I just want to put TM, and it should be below, just next to N, and you can say at the lower end. Then try.
Yeah, it's
Subscript.
subscript.
It is subscript, and I have to choose TM.
TM, yeah.
And the one more control that you have to learn, this will increase your typing speed or your working speed if we are able to remember our shortcuts. For increasing the shortcuts, we have the option. You can see by moving your cursor here, control shift and greater than symbol. For to decrease your font size, we will use control shift and less than option. In the same way, if you want to make things bold, just select your things from the keyboard, press Ctrl B to make it bold, Ctrl I for italicized, and Ctrl U to underline. To do it and to undo it in the same way. Control B, Control I, Control U. Shift, Control, these are the options that we can't use a single alone. Always, these are always combined together with one or two more keys. Now the main thing that we usually do, we commonly use are the copy paste command. Word allows us to use this option in a number of ways and beautifully. Suppose I have to copy this content. As we have two type of content, I am first using this content. To copy a content, I have to select content and then choose the option copy. Then I will click at the place where I want to insert it. Right now, I am going to insert it between 2 raised to power 5 and 107. And I will simply click on paste. Done. My copy paste option has been done. For copy, the keyboard shortcut is Control plus C. And to paste, my keyboard shortcut is Control plus V. C for copy, V for paste combined with Control. As I told you that Word allows us to paste same content in different ways. So and we copy a thing once and paste it. We can paste it 100 times. Don't need to copy it again and again. How many you can paste it as many times as you want. Now the question arises how to use the different options. Suppose I want to paste. See, I have 4 options already. Now you have to identify the difference. When I clicking on this first option, the first option allows me to keep my source formatting, means all the styles, all the formatting, all the font, all the size, all the color that I have been used here, I have used in the source, that will be in my copied content also, like this. And in other case, what will happen? Merge formatting. It means it will combine two formatting, my this formatting and the already formatting that I have used. Suppose now I am changing it to Control C, and here I am using merge formatting. You can see I have copied this content, mother, whose font is different, style is different, and when I am merging it, it is combining it automatically. And the third one, okay, there is a problem. Meeting will be closed in 10 minutes. You have to rejoin this meeting due to some restriction of Zoom.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Or okay, no problem. And then we have this option, picture. If you want to paste your information as a picture, so what will happen? See, now it is a picture. This box is here. If you are able to see it, you can resize it now like this. You can apply a border, you can do other things, you can, now it will act as a picture, not, it will not act as a content, normal text content. And the last one is keep text only. It means it will not copy your uh, style. For this, just use this information. Suppose I am typing this one, bold, and this is in red color. Now I am copying this content, and while pasting I am choosing text only. You can see it is copying only text, leaving all the formatting. Now can you suggest me where we can apply all these options, how these will be helpful to us? Any idea?
For creating a title?
For creating a title you can say, but actually as we are in the world of Google, we do lots of copy pasting things from Google and then use in our document. So to again we then we have to use very much time in again editing our document if we copy paste things like this, because you know on someone else have used different styles, different formats, and in our document we will be using different style, different formats. To make it presentable, to make it in single aligned document, prefer to use you try to paste things by using these options. Like suppose you don't want their formatting, use paste it when you are pasting information, paste text only or without formatting, so that you can mend your text as per your requirement, not as per the requirement of other. You can use the text in the way, you can manipulate that text in the way it is helpful to you, uh, because our job will be quite cumbersome if we spend lots of time just editing our document and we are not using any of these options. This makes our work quite easier if we use them in efficient manner. Okay. I
Okay.
think, yeah. Any doubt till now? You can ask any question.
I think we need some practice first to ask the questions. Yeah, but it's very clear. I mean, with little bit practice.
This is a quite good idea, that little bit practice. If any one of you can share your screen, I think we can do practice from your side also. Anyone can take this initiative. I have no problem. Anyone would like to share your screen?
Yeah, right now I'm on my iPad, so
No problem. Then we continue, and I would like if someone from you can share your screen tomorrow. That will be much easier for us and you will learn more. because I just want to finish that word in 3 or 4 days, so that you can apply it, and if you have any doubt, you can connect with us.
I think when I'm trying to share the screen,
Hmm?
it is showing that the host has disabled the screen share.
This no, one participant can share at any time. It means I have to stop my screen share, then you can share. It would be better if all of us rejoin this class and then continue, so that it won't disturb us while we are talking in between. Please rejoin.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Or we can use the control B also if you are
Good.
using the shortcut. And say like if I want to underline my name,
Great.
so we can use this U
Hmm.
option,
Hmm.
or we can do the control U.
Right.
And if I want to highlight this
Hmm.
selected portion, so we can go to the colors here,
Hmm.
and we can choose any colors from here, or if we want to customize some colors, we have to go to more colors and choose some colors,
Hmm.
and accordingly
Yeah.
we can do the custom here, and so we can shift the arrow according to our choice.
Yes.
So
Co-
if we go down, it will be more darker. Yeah.
yes. Hmm. Kaushiki,
And
we left with the option gradient. Just apply that gradient also. Uh,
sorry,
click on cancel. Click on cancel.
cancel. Okay.
Again, go back to that option, font color.
Color. Yeah,
Yeah.
font color. Okay. Okay.
Click and then choose gradient.
Gradient. Okay.
Yeah. Here we have different kind of options already as
Mm-hmm.
per our choice, like some shadow, like two color options. And when you click on more gradients, you can
Yeah.
choose colors of your choice.
Okay. I guess it's not showing.
It is showing because the text is narrow.
Okay.
It is
Okay.
working as the
Mm-hmm.
text is narrow, so you are
Mm-hmm.
not able to see that. If see, as you are using the lighter shade, it is more visible.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Hmm.
So if we are doing
Hmm.
say like gradient, and if we are doing more darker shade, it's coming like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm. Now try as try to increase the font size, or their size, font type quickly. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So we can go here,
Hmm.
and we can there are lots of things we can change anything here.
Hmm.
They have
Good.
changed this, and if you want to increase this, we'll be doing this, or we can do control shift greater than sign,
Hmm.
and if you want to decrease, we have to use this, or we can use control shift lesser than sign.
Hmm. Okay. And now also explain the paste option. Try them and paste them.
Yeah, so if I
Hmm.
want to copy this,
Hmm.
I have to select the text and copy, and if I have to paste in the next line, so we have the paste option.
Hmm.
So if we want to paste it the same way, then it will, we have to use the first one, keep source formatting.
Well. Hmm.
So if we want to paste in a merge for formatting, so like it will
It will merge our two type, means your copied
Oh,
content.
I didn't select anything. Yeah.
Oh,
Say like if I am selecting for the next, if I have to do this. So if I have to, I am selecting this, and so it will be merging like this. And if I want to paste it, this is the
this will be, I think, your screen.
yeah, somehow.
Okay, you can stop your share. I will share my screen and we will continue further, and I will
Okay.
explain that as well.
Yeah.
Okay, well done, Goshiki.
Thank you.
Okay, we were using this document and we are going to continue from this location. So in paste we have four options. First one is for to keeping source formatting, means source and the copied content will remains the same. Merge formatting means you just want to combine your formatting with your selected formats. And the third one is you want to paste it like a picture. Third one is to paste up like a picture, and the last one is you just want to keep the content only. As we have used this gradient option, it has lots of options as well. Suppose sometimes what happens, or we can do it this gradient options just a little bit after. Now use this option. There is we are going to use format painter. Suppose I have written this text. I'm selecting it, changing its color, changing its font. Again, I am choosing another, applying different styles here. Picking it. Now just tell me one thing. Again, I am doing it black, Arial or Calibri, no bold, no. Okay. So suppose I am writing this content. In the first word, I want to apply this green style. What should I do? In normal context, I have to follow all the procedure. I have to select my content, apply green color, apply same font, apply same size, and then I can use this thing. But there is another option, format painter, that makes our work easier. Suppose you just want to copy this style to this word. What you will do, you will select this word. It is not required that you must select full word. If you select a single character only, then also format painter will work. If you select whole content, then also format painter will work. So I am just selecting this much portion, clicking on format painter. Once your format painter is selected, you can see your cursor has been changed into brush position. And now move it to the text on which you want to apply this style. Without implementing anything, actually, you are just copying your style. It has been moved up because while we use this style, we have used this superscript and bold option. And if I have to copy this style, I will select it again, format painter, click on this. This is a wonderful option. Suppose you are making a content. Let me check one option. Am I audible to everyone?
Yeah.
Need to just check if it is clear to you. At my side, the things are clear. Just check. Can you tell me what is the problem? Am I audible? I think there is some problem with Neetu's connection or anything. Let me check it. Okay. So I hope the concept of format painter is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have a question. Say
Yes.
like,
Hmm.
why this is going as a I mean superscript? If I am changing the, I mean,
It is
font.
going to
font.
superscript because I am copying this style to
Okay.
this word or this text, and
Mm-hmm.
while I am copying this all the style, because from the in the source I have this superscript. If I
Mm-hmm.
remove it and
Mm-hmm.
then select it,
Mm-hmm.
format painter, apply it here, you can see no superscript option is here. Means it will
Okay.
copy the same style,
Mm-hmm.
and
Okay.
it is helpful in a situation. Suppose you are making a document in which you are 20-30 pages, and at each page you are using different style, different format, so you don't need to copy your styles each and every time. Just make a small copies, then use format painter and your work is easier.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Got it. Mm-hmm. Got it.
And then related to style, we have two more options. These are the options that we can apply. Suppose we are using this style, select it here. Now you want to present your text in a shadow, in outline or glow effect like this. Simply choose any effect and apply it. I would recommend that you try it at your side, because there is nothing like that I should explain. I will just tell you how to implement. Just select and it is applied to your text. These are the different styling options that we use to make our text more presentable. Like if you want to give a heading, you want to give a title, then you can use these options. Along with it, if you want to give some background color to this portion only, then this is a highlighter option, and you can choose anyone like this. Select your content and choose this highlighting option. Choose color of your choice, and your text is highlighted. Okay. Any doubt up to this point?
No.
No. Okay, great. And we have to deselect it, otherwise it will keep highlighting our text. One more interesting thing is this. We have to, I am making things normal. Suppose we have this text. You can see there are different options. These are also quite helpful. Suppose you are writing a document in which you have a main heading, then subheading, then subtitles, then you can also use these features. Later on, these will help you to make your index page. Like for a heading, you can choose this one. You can customize it later on. Heading 2, title, subtitle, which information you want to use. You can see. By this way, you can combine your text. As it is subtitle, it will not move like this. The main difference between these components and these options is this: these are applied to simple text, and when we are applying these options, we are just connecting our text with each other. Like right now, it is working as a block because we have used heading 1 here. It means it is our center point, and everything will come under this section. So anything that we have attached with it is part of it. And then again, it is not compulsory that you must choose these options. It is again up to us which options we want to use. Okay. Now the thing is, now we are doing bullets. Suppose we have this content and we want to add bullets. Bullets are again to represent our information more beautifully, more elaborated way. You can choose any option here. Choose any symbol. The main feature of using bullets is this. Suppose you have applied bullets on this area, and when you press enter, it will be applied automatically to all the text that is written after it. And if you want to remove it, simply double press your enter, and now you will see no bullets are there. And in from the text, if you don't want any bullet, select your text, go back to bullet and choose none. This is the option to remove your bullets. And in case you want to apply 1, 2, 3 like bullets, choose this numbering bullets, ABC or anyone. Now the question arises here from, if you see, our series starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 or A, B, C, D. But in case, suppose you want to start your series from 6, how will you start it? For this, we will choose the option set numbering value. By default, it is from 1. You can change it to 6 and OK. Now you can see my numbering has been started from 6, 7, 8, 9. Both the options of these bullets apply to a single value, like you are writing a text in a single sentence and then applying a bullet. For applying bullet, it is necessary that all the things should be in the same level. And this third bullet applies to the content. Suppose you are writing information in which you have a main title, subtitle, and then description. It means you have 3 levels of hierarchy. In this case, to maintain this, how we will use this third bullet, we will write, this is main title, Then when you are using subtitle, try to put some space, or you can use tab. Subtitle. And last one, again give some space, because it is necessary to identify the levels. First level is for main title, then subtitle, then description. In the same way, I am again writing ABC tab XYZ, then DEF. Now I am selecting all these till DEF. Oh, sorry. And choosing the last option, this 3-level hierarchy. I am choosing first one. You can see main title is having bullet as 1, subtitle different, and description as A. To distinguish these, already 3 type of bullets has been created automatically. As ABC has the same level of hierarchy, it is having the same type of bullets. Subtitle and XYZ has the same hierarchy, so they are using the same bullets. Description and DEF are using same hierarchy, that's why they are using same bullets. If you don't want to apply these bullets, simply select them and deselect. Any doubt?
So while using this title subtitle thing, the way you have written like
Yeah,
the next
we have to maintain some distinction, how the computer will identify that which one is title, which one is subtitle or description. Like how we will identify which one is our first paragraph, second paragraph, and third paragraph. To maintain this difference, we have to use this thing.
Okay. So like we cannot know, I mean, if you are using this style, then we have to maintain some indentation.
Yeah,
Before.
indentation is required. Some
Yeah.
indentation is required,
Okay.
right? Okay. And from indentation, I got a point that suppose we are using these bullets, simple bullets, like 1, 2, 3, and so on. We have selected this text and we have implemented suppose this. And in this suppose, you want to move your text some uh, far position or nearer position, we will use these indentation. Right now it is taking the same. We have to undo all these things and then use this option. Select it, apply it. Yes, you can see the difference between text and bullet, and if you want to change it, use this indentation option. It will make things nearer and far. To move your text, indentation is used. And the other thing that we must use in Word is aligning a text. How we are going to align our text? I think I must use another document. Yes. Suppose this is the text we are writing. If you are using the justified, okay. Yes. So suppose this is the text. Select your text. If you want to, by default, you can see our text is left aligned, means it will be equal. Uh, you can see it will be equal from the left side, and right side is uneven. And if we align it to the right side will be equal and left will be unequal. Third one is center alignment. And if we align our text centrally, left and right both will be unequal. Whole data will come in center. And the most important is justified content, in which you just want that both sides will be equal. For this option, we use justified. In this, your left and right, both lines, both margins are equal. If we have not used enter, then it will adjust space automatically. Just see this thing. Suppose I am writing things like this.
Sorry to disturb. I don't know about others. I'm not able to see your new screen. I mean, the new Word document.
Okay,
Me
I will
too.
share. Are you able to see it?
Yeah, now it is coming.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so shall I repeat or it will work?
No, it's okay. Yeah, I could
Okay,
hear that. I could
okay,
hear
okay, okay.
that, but I could not.
Now
Yeah.
you can see I have not used enter key. I have just typed in continuity, and I am selecting my text and using this option justified. Now you can see Word will automatically adjust space in between the text and make your left and right hands equal. Your both left and right hands will be equal if you are using this alignment. You will see this alignment all in your books, in your documents, because we just need this alignment in our text, that our left and right side should be equal. Okay, these are the basic alignment options that we use. And I think one should be familiar with all these options. So today we have discussed these formatting options, in which we learned how to use font size, bold, italic, underline, superscript, subscript, font options, bullets, paint, format painter, and alignment. And tomorrow we will use this option, spacing, and insert tab options. Along with it, find, replace, and select. And I will try to cover maximum part tomorrow so that we can finish it on time. In case you have any query, any doubt, you can message me anytime. I will definitely try to clear your doubt. And it was a wonderful session. I tried my best. I would like to hear from you how you have learned.
Yeah, it was really good and interesting to know. I mean, I use Word, but it was like a lot of the things I have never used. So it's feeling good that I can use those things now.
Okay, I think we can wind up now, and definitely I would like to see you tomorrow also at same time.
Yeah, tomorrow same time, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
with the
Yeah.
same link.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
bye
you very much.
everyone. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, thank
Bye.
you, bye. Hello everyone. Yesterday we did clipboard, font, some portion of paragraph and style step from the ribbon. Today we are starting with the line and spacing option. Suppose you want to add some lines in between these two lines. First of all, select your content. From the paragraph tab, click this arrow and choose how much space you want to enter. Suppose I just want to add the space 3.0. I will pick it and you can see space is added between these two lines. In case you want to reduce it, again I am picking 1.0 and you can see there is no space between in these two lines. In the same manner, we can apply some more options. Click again, choose line spacing option. In this, we have two tabs, indent and spacing and line and page breaks. In indent and spacing, first is the alignment option, which is equivalent to the paragraph options, left aligned, right aligned, center and justified. You can pick it from there and from this place. For the indentation, please keep an eye on the previous section and check. As I increase the left indent, my text is moving to the right, and if I am clicking on the right indent, my document will be having some space on the right side also. And in case you just want to add indentation in the first line only, pick this one, first line. Your first line will be starting after leaving some space that is given by you. And after this, we are having spacing. Suppose you want to add some space before the paragraph and after the paragraph. Right now, we are using 0 point before the paragraph. As we are going to increase it, it is 18 point, and after the paragraph, we are also having 24 point. Now let's check. You can see now my text is aligned. You can see the first line indent and rest left and right. You can check it from this position. This is the right indent. This is the left indent for the paragraph. This is the left indent for the first line indent. Okay. After this, I hope this part is clear. Suppose you have added, now we have added some space before the paragraph and after the paragraph, and you don't want to keep that space. Select your content. Again, go to line and spacing option and choose this, remove space after paragraph. Your space after the paragraph will be removed. Okay. After this option, we will be moving to this shading part. Suppose you want to put some shading, you want to add some shading just behind this text. Select your text, pick any color. You can see this is a fixed or solid color, but you want to add some style in this. Then more color, or you can go through custom color. Okay. From here you can apply some border outside your paragraph. Here also, if we go to border and shading, we will be having such kind of option. First of all, we will choose shading. To put shading, to add shading in our text, we will choose color of our choice, how much shading you want to add, and again the color. That should be applied to paragraph. Okay. Now you can see the difference. This is the solid fill color and this is the shading part. Again, if I want that border should be applied to text also, go to border and shading. From the border section, I will choose, by default it is applied to paragraph, and I have not selected any border yet. So first of all, I will choose a border. Okay, now this border is applied to text. And what happens if I apply this border to text only? Click here, border and shading, and instead of paragraph, choose text option. Okay, right now you can see the border is applied to the text only. Inside you can see these two border. If things are not clear, just we will add like this, this thing only. In this way we can apply border to text only. And in border we have lots of options. Let's try. Suppose this is the text where we want to add some border. Again, go to border and shading. Box means you just want to add paragraph. Okay, we are applying border to whole paragraph. Shadow or 3D. From here we will choose what type of lines you want for your border. From here we will choose color of our border, and at this position we will opt width of our border, and that will be applied to paragraph. And in case suppose you don't want to keep border at top, bottom, left or right, just deselect from this position. And if you want to keep them, again select it, apply it. Your border will be applied to paragraph. Again, go to border and shading. Then we are having page border. It is we use this border to apply border to our page. Just see it. Either you can apply this kind of border in your page. You have selected point, whole document, and from here we are choosing color. Okay, now you can see I have a border in my page, but sometimes I just want to add some styling. For this, choose page border and opt art option. This is inbuilt art option. You can pick any one. Simply, for example, I am adding this one, applying to whole document. Okay, but only one thing at a time will be applied. Either you can apply this line option in the page border, or word or art option. If art is applied, your line option will be deselected, and if you are applying line, your art option will be deselected. This is all about line and space, line spacing and border option. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now we will be moving to next part. Okay. In case you want to search a particular thing in your document, click on the find option. For example, we just want to search for a word habit. Right here and search. It will show you each and every occurrence. Let's search for the another word, the. Click enter. Now you can see it has shown us number of occurrences where the has been appeared. Move your cursor one by one each occurrence, and whatever thing you want to do, you can do it. What we want to generally do, either we want to delete or replace it. Let's replace our things. Click on replace. Suppose we just want to search the, and we want to replace it with the capital the at some places. First of all, click find next. What will start searching for the from the place where your cursor is, from the current position of your cursor. Find next. As you can see, it is highlighting the in grayscale. If you want to replace it, click on replace, and if you don't want to replace it, click on find next to search the other the. Suppose we want to replace it, we will click on replace. And if you want to replace all the occurrences of the with the capital the at one click, just click on replace all the as you can see 11 replacement has been done, and it will save our work. Okay, here also one more option is this. Suppose you want to look for the and replace with the, and we are having this more option. If we are using match case, which means you are word will find out the exact match. If you are searching in small letter, it will search for small letter. If you are writing the things in capital letter, it will search for capital letters only. But if find whole words means it will search the complete word, not the like the initials, not the word starting with the, it will search the whole word the. And if we are using wildcard, it means sometimes we want to look for a particular words whose starting we know, but we didn't know the rest of the character or rest of the letters. To replace rest of the letters, we simply put asterisk symbol. It will replace rest of the letter. It means it will search for all the words that is starting from T. It could be 3-letter word, it could be 4-letter word, and it could be 5-6-letter word. But the thing is, it will find out all the words that will start from T and replace them with T. Let's search. As you can see, the indigestion, it is searching for T, and so on. Okay. Then we are having select. To select all objects. Control A is used to select your whole content. Okay. From this place, we are moving to insert tab. I hope this part is clear to you. In insert, we are using this table option. In table option, we can add table in 3 ways. First is from insert table option. You can simply select number of rows and number of columns. Your table will be inserted. On the other hand, you can draw table manually by using pen tool like this. First, 2 rows, 2 columns, and this thing. Or we can use this option from here. Insert table. Insert table. From here, we can decide how many columns and how many rows we want to insert. 3 rows, 3 column, and along with it, we use these 3 options. Fixed column width means computer will the auto width is already decided, or you can choose this option. 0.9 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, like this. This is the fixed column width. Or we can insert table as auto fit to contents or auto fit to window. Means it will adjust our table as per our page size, as per our window size. And in auto fit, table will be quite smaller, but we can adjust our table It is auto fit. Insert table, choose auto fit to content means it is quite smaller in size. It will take its shape and size as per the data we will add. Now we have added a table with 2 rows and 5 columns. Now we need to modify it. Click here, press enter, move it. Suppose I just want to need few more rows. Right click, insert rows below. If you want to add a row just above it, then click insert rows above. In this way we can manipulate or customize our table. In case you have to add any cell or any column, in the same way, right click, insert, column to left, column to right, and so on. Whenever you insert a table, you will be having this design and layout option. The option that we get after right clicking, insert, and delete, you be having same option at this place. This is to insert column to the right, left column to left, insert row below, insert row above, and this is the delete option. Suppose you don't want to keep this row, click on delete, select delete row, or you can simply right click and choose delete row, delete cell, delete entire row. And in case you have to delete a table, select your table, go to layout, delete table. Because if you select your content and press delete, your content will be deleted, but a table will remain here. Just see it. I'm selecting this content and deleting. No rows has been deleted. Okay, then we can apply different styling option from this position. These are some inbuilt options that we can apply in our table. Select your table, click this arrow and choose table style that you want to implement. Again, we can customize it, select it. Right now we have banded row. Banded row means one is darker and one is the lighter mode. If you don't want to keep this option, just deselect it. You can see now another way. So every style will be having such kind of option. Just try them and style them as per your need. And in the shading, if you want to add some shading, again choose color of your choice and apply some shading. This is again the border option. But in case suppose you don't want to keep any style here, this is another option. Choose this first one option. You will be having the same table, original table without any style. Suppose you want to change border. From here, first select the style that you want to implement, or from here, thickness, and if this is the pen color which you want to use. And if you are using pen, you have to put things like manually like this. But from this location, at one instance, with one click, we can apply all borders immediately to whole table. Okay, and in the layout also, if we want to reduce the size, we want to increase the size, then we will follow this option. This is from the height we can increase the cell size, and from this position we can increase the size. And we are not able to move it because we have opted table type as auto fit to the content. Let's change it, auto fit to window. Now we can change it. Okay, when you move your cursor like this, we have this pointer. From this location also we can adjust column width, column height like this. Okay. Then another option related to table is if you want to adjust the alignment of your text, select your text and choose alignment from this position where you want to align. Say in center, right aligned, left aligned. We have 9 alignment option at this place. Even suppose we are writing something at this place, use tab to move between your cells. Yes, suppose my cursor is at this position. I am setting cell margin. How much margin I just want to keep in between the cells. I just want to leave 0 0.1, 0 0.15 at the bottom, again 15, and this is the left margin. Okay, 19, increasing it, decreasing it. Okay, if I am just setting this position, you can see this is my current position cell. It means the how much space you want to left for your cell margin. You want to keep how much space you want to keep on the top of your cell, in at the bottom, left, right. One more thing is which we call it cell spacing. Allow spacing between cells. Now styling will be like this. Okay, I have done 0 0.15 centimeter spacing. Now you can see my table is like this. I hope you get my point. Again, one more thing is this text direction. Click your text, select your text and pick. You can move your text inside the table like this. In some situation, we just want to split our table in 2 or 3 sections. Click in the row or area from where you want to split your table. Click on split table. Your table will be splitted in 2 from that place. But in some situation, we just want to add, we want to divide our cell in 2 or 3 sections. In this case, click inside the cell. Then go to split cell and choose number of column and number of rows and OK. Your table is, your cell is divided into 2 rows and 2 column, and it's done. Okay. After that, in some situation, we just want to merge our cells. We can do it in 2 ways. In empty cells, we just select the cells whom we want to join. Select your cells, merge cells. You can see data. These cells have been combined together. Now, if our cell, if there is some text in between our cells, and if we try to merge them, it will be merged like this. Your text will be combined, and this eraser portion is used to delete any row, column, something like this. Things like this you cannot, or you can simply use delete option to remove row or column. Okay, and done. We are done with the table part, and next important thing is select layout, delete table. Okay. In insert, We have different options related to shape. First, we are choosing this line. This is some options will remain same for each and every shape, like outline, effects, and fill. In line, we don't have any fill option because it is not a closed figure. In shape outline, we just decide these things, what type of line or thickness, do we want some arrows, and so on, and also the color of our line. And in line we have these 2 pointers or 3 pointers to just to increase or decrease its size. And when we keep our mouse on this shape, we can move it from one location to another location. After lines, we have rectangles and rectangles. Simply drag it. Now with this shape, our shape fill option is highlighted. You can fill any color of your choice, like this. And these are the different styling again. What type of fill you want? Do you want some border, or do you want simple text? You can choose anyone from this position. This is outline if you want to put some border, highlighting point. And again, you have to opt some outline color. This is a shape effect. Like I just want to keep this shape to rotate it, and so on. You can see we have 2 type of pointer in the shape, simple round and this yellow one. This round shape is used to increase or decrease its size, and from yellow pointer we can change this shape. Right now it is having a curve, and if I move this yellow pointer, I can reduce the size of this curve or even make it more sharper. Every shape which is having this yellow pointer, it means we can change that shape. Let's have a look on few of the shapes. Like these are the basic shape. Right now I am opting for this one. Okay, this pointer is used to rotate, and in this shape I don't have that yellow pointer. It means I can just increase or decrease the size, but I can't change its shape. Okay, now I am inserting this arrow, and in this arrow I am having these 2 yellow pointers. As you can see, I can change it, delete it. Okay. Apart from this, in shapes, we have different kind of these flowchart options, stars and banner, like this. Again, you can modify them as per your need. Okay, and the last one is insert, shape, and this call outs. These allows you to write inside in the shape. Suppose I am having this call out, writing text inside the shape, and at the same time I can change it like this. It means we can modify our data, we can represent it in more beautiful way. Another option that we can use in insert is, this is all about shape. I would suggest that you must try all the shapes, then you will be more familiar with this concept. Picture. Select a picture. Uh, okay. it would be better if we take any online picture. We are picking flower. It is showing us this kind of picture. Okay, we will take cake. Oh, beautiful. Now I have my picture. The first thing that I want to do with this picture is to crop my picture, because some part is not required, as it is not allowing me to crop it directly. So what I will do, I will crop it in a shape. Select my picture, click on format, crop. Once crop is selected, these black pointer will appear. Move them to the place where you want to, at the area you want to keep or you don't want to keep. Select your area. Again click on crop. As you can see, my picture is cropped well. I don't want to keep this place. Delete it. Okay. Now we will move to the other options of picture. Suppose you want to crop this picture in a particular shape. Then go to crop. Select the option. I want to cut it in this shape. Now see, my picture is in circle shape. Quite beautiful. Okay. Now we will modify this picture with the different borders from this position. You can modify it. And if you want to put some effects, choose this option. Effects. Again, I would recommend that you must try each and every option manually, one by one, so that you are familiar with each concept. These are the some correction. Suppose you want to add some highlight, you want to increase some brightness, you want to decrease some brightness, contrast. Such options will be available in correction and color. You want to change color, highlight color, and this thing. You want to add any artistic effect like this. And in case you don't want any settings, simply reset your picture. And you are done with this. Now the question arises, main thing, sometimes we have to work together with the text and picture, which is quite a tiresome job. How to adjust your picture and text together. Suppose we are having this content. See, now I just want to place my picture on the top of it. Again it is, see, I am facing some problem. It is not moving. So to adjust the position of this, in the format tab, I have this option, position. I'm picking it, the position where I want to align my picture. First of all, I just want that I should reduce its size. Quite narrow. Okay. Like alignment, we have different position option: top, center, right, totally right and center, 100% center, left and center, bottom and center, right aligned and center. For now, I just keep top and center, this position. Okay. And wrap text, again, it is again a quite useful option. If you want to work together with text and picture, we are going to use this wrap text option. Suppose you want to keep your picture behind your text. Pick it and place it. Now you are able to move your picture along with your text. At the same time, choose other options like strike through, top and bottom, square, all these in front of text. It means your picture is in front. We are working with the picture, we are not working with the text. All the option will work with the picture and text will be adjusted accordingly. Okay. Okay, I think that's enough for today. See you in the next class. If you have any doubt, you can message me anytime. I will definitely solve your problem. Or any other query, you can share it with me anytime. In case you want any other help, I am always available. Okay, thank you.
Um,
So Kaushiki is sharing her screen.
yeah, so actually I just made a uh, blog type using these things like the paragraphing, inserting the pictures, wrapping the text,
Great.
and using the bulletin and
And
doing the borders in the
you have applied footer also, as I can
yes,
see. Yeah,
yes,
great.
both header and footer I have applied,
Mhm. Header
and
also, great.
yeah,
Hmm.
and I have done a table also here
Very
where I
nice.
have put
Hmm.
the borders of the table and
Hmm.
sorting and making the text in the middle of the cells, inserting cells,
Great, great, great. Well done.
inserting rows and columns. Yeah, that's what I
Hmm.
did yesterday.
Very well done. Very well done.
Hmm.
So let's start with the other
Yeah,
part.
yeah.
Yeah. Happy to see
Thank you.
you. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, we have done with this home tab and we are working on insert. Still, there is one or two options left from the home tab. Let's do it quickly. Suppose I have written word in small letter or sentence case. Word allows us to change our text immediately in capital letter, lower case, toggle case, sentence case, anything. With a single click, you can convert your data into the desired option. One thing is left here, and from the border and shading. Yesterday we did border and shading. These are the borders in the first option that can be applied to paragraph or text. These are the options that we can apply to our paragraph or text. Along with it, we have page border. In page border, the border that we will select will be applied to our page. That will be again, we can apply it in number of ways. Like you can apply this border to whole document, or only this section, first page only, and leaving the first page, and in rest of the pages you can apply this border. For example, we are taking this border and applying it to whole document. Okay. Along with it, we also have one feature. When we are clicking on page border, there is an option art. These are predefined styles. You can pick any one and apply to your document. Okay, but from both option, only one can be applied at a time. If you are picking line option, then you can't apply art. If you are applying art, then you can't apply line option. You have to pick only one option at a time. And in the if you want any kind of shading in your text, then you will choose this option. For example, let's take a look. Okay, we are picking this one, border and shading. We will choose two color. First, the color which we want to fill, and in this how much percentage you want it for your shading, and this is the color of shading. For example, I'm picking this one. Apply to paragraph. Nothing. Yes, I have to change this option 20% solid. I have chosen this option, that's why there is a problem. Okay. Next. You will see whenever you apply a shading, a small dots line. I don't know why it is not applying here. We can try it here. Okay, let's try again. Select this part, border and shading. Still, there might be some problem at my side, but you can try this option and it is working well. No problem in this section. After this, we're done table option. Any problem in table option?
No, no such problem as of now.
Okay. In table we did this part that we can apply different styling option. These are the predefined style, and later on if we want to customize them, we can customize these options from the left side options like header row, banded row, first row, and so on. And if you want to apply any kind of borders, you can choose simply from this position and apply as per the requirement. In this also, in the layout, we have the option regarding inserting rows, columns, cells, merging cells, splitting cells, and splitting our table. Along with it, we have the option of alignment and aligning the text. I think we have done this. Suppose I want to align my text in different ways. You can use this option. One more important option is repeat header rows. For this, I have to reshare my screen. Suppose we have a table which goes beyond number of pages. In that case, you just want to repeat your header row so that you can recognize how the things are working. Let's say, suppose you are having this kind of table which is going to page number 2. When we are moving to page number 2, as you can see, header row is not going to be repeated. To make it more readable, we can just add, click your table and select this option, repeat header row. Now you can see, select it, repeat header row. Oh, what is happening? Okay. Yes. So there was a problem in selection of content. Select your content and click on repeat header row. Your content will be already, you can see my header row is repeating in second page also. You can, it will be repeated automatically to page number 3, page number 4, page number 5, page number 6, and the process goes on. These are the all.
It will decide automatically how, I mean, where till what page the table is there? Or?
Yeah. It will, because we have opted this option repeat header. But the thing is, we like in my case, this happened. I just selected first content and clicked repeat header row, and it didn't work. For making any row a header row, you have to select whole row and then click on the repeat header row.
No, my question was, see, like the table is there for 3 pages, and on the 4th page there are some paragraphs, text, normal things.
Then
So
it
if
will
I
not go. No. It will work in table only.
table only, yeah, okay.
Okay, these were the options related to our table. After that, we done shapes. Let's remove. We don't need it. We will work on this table. Okay. Yes. We done shapes in which we did almost all type of shape, that we have lines, rectangles, basic shape, arrows, and callouts. In callouts allows us to write things automatically in shape. But suppose you are having such kind of shape and you want to write something in this. So to we can use an word art option. It is a quite useful option. Simply select it, type your content, place it here, and you are ready to use it. Like yesterday we were talking about that we should make some banners, some pamphlets like thing. In that case, you can use this option quite well. Again, rest of the things remain same, like shape filling, outline, because it is a shape, and all the options work well with this word art option also. Text filling, text outline, which type of text effect you want to give your text. Okay, this is the simple one. And at the same time, if you these things also work with, as you are placing your text with the shape, you can send your text behind your shape, you can bring your shape in front of your text. For that you can use these options: bring forward, send forward. These options as per again your requirement, if you want to do these things. Working with this. Okay. Any doubt in this section?
No. So it is in insert and then
Yeah. First we did insert. From insert we opted shape. Like any shape. You can apply word art anywhere.
yeah.
Like
Once
word
we are
art.
going, once we are going, I mean, clicking any shape, it is automatically coming to this format, right?
Yeah. We are, this is the writing content is word art. Okay, and
Yeah.
if you don't want to place it on any shape, you can place it in normal page also. There is no such restriction.
Okay.
Okay, and
First, I thought that it could be done only in call out option.
okay.
So I didn't. So I didn't know that these texts can be inserted in any shape.
No,
So
no,
I thought that
you.
it can be only go set in call out option only.
No. This word art option you can place it anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, and one more thing. Yeah. And in some cases, you don't want to insert this word art. You just want to add simple text. For that, what you can do, you can click, you can place shape of your choice. Let's place any star option. Let it be. Suppose this is, and inside it, we just want to write say. If we want to write directly, we can't write it. For this option in shapes, we have text box.
Okay.
Click on this, place it inside the shape directly, or you can place it anywhere and then place it on the your shape.
Okay.
Okay. In this way, again, we can manipulate it. but now you can see it is showing us white color. Again, you can change it from here.
Yeah.
Okay, means customization almost remains same for each shape.
Like only for banners and I mean like call out options, that directly you can write the text
Yes,
within
only call outs allows us to write
call out.
directly.
Yeah. For all other shapes, we have to insert the text box inside.
Yes. That's why when we are using these shapes and word art works very well together. Okay, and after the shape, another useful option if you are working somewhere, smart art. Smart art, suppose you have to present something in hierarchy format. Choose any shape, any layout of your choice. Pick it. For example, I am just picking the basic shape for reference. As I place it, again we have two tabs, design and format, and all the related options which are related to this smart art are highlighted. Like what style I just want to implement, what color I want to implement, and how I want to place all these things. Let's take a quick to this. Suppose the style I just want is this one, and color, from color option, as you can see we have numerous option. I am opting this one. This is the layout I have decided, and again these are the hierarchy that we be having. And if suppose you don't want this tab, simply select it and delete it. In case you want to promote it or demote it, it means if we demote it, it means it will be lower in the hierarchy format, and if we promote it, it will be upper in the hierarchy. As you can see, our table is having two levels. First one is, let's just add some values in this. To add some value, one way is double click here and add value, or you can click on text pane. See, in text pane you have this hierarchy. Simply click here, your values will be inserted like this. You can opt any option whichever is convenient to you. Third, fourth and fifth. In this case, you can see top is our top level hierarchy and fifth is the second level of a hierarchy. If I promote it, it will go to the top. If I demote it, it will again come at original position. Similarly, now my hierarchy is on the left hand side, top, second, third, fourth and fifth. If you want it right handed, just click right to left. Things will be placed automatically changed as per your clicking. Then again in the format, if you want to change now in format, again you have the styling option. Suppose you just want to change shape here, simply choose from here any shape. Again, all these things are related to presentation. Whatever things you select, things will be turned as per your selection. Again, we have larger and smaller content. If you are clicking on larger, our tabs will be moving bigger and bigger. If we are clicking on smaller, tabs will be converted in smaller shape. Again, you can see we have the same options: shape fill, outline effects, text fill, that you have done with other shapes. And in this option, you have number of choices. from which you can insert this. In Smart Art, you have lots of options. You can choose any option and work on them. Like if you want any managerial hierarchy, you can opt this option. You want to show some relation, you can opt from here any circle process. Like you will use this Smart Art option in presentation purposes mainly. Clear, or is there any doubt?
Yeah, in this hierarchy thing, if we
Yeah.
want to add one more level, is there any option if we
Yeah,
want to add?
yeah. Suppose, okay, we have picked this one. Suppose I just want to add one tab after this, below this thing. I will add shape. First, I will select my tab, then click on add shape. Automatically, you can add new tabs there. But the things will work where you are clicking, where you are inserting. If I am selecting this tab and adding shape, it will add like this because it is the top of the hierarchy and it will add things here. And later on, if you want to move things, you can pick any tab and place it anywhere.
But say I want to do, say on the lower level, the second text box is there. So lower level, the
In
second text
second
box.
row, in the second row.
No, the last row.
Yeah.
Last row, the second text box. If I want to make a hierarchy of again three text boxes from one
Add
text box.
three.
Okay, so
See.
we'll just add 3 and automatically it will be in a row, right?
Yeah. It will be in a row.
Okay.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
Okay. So, with this. Many times you will be working with Google and picking some information from Google and placing it in your document. And sometimes you have faced this situation, you are not able to copy your content from the internet and then place it in your document. Then what solution do you find? Many times we copy content from the internet and place in our documents, but sometimes some site doesn't allow us to copy things, but still we want to copy that content. How we can do it? Any idea? No. So again, let's say we want to copy this content. This are you able to see Google page here? Okay, I'm sharing my screen this time so that you are able to see it. Okay. Right now, I think my Google pages will be shown at your side.
Yes.
Okay. I have opened two documents. One is this Google one. We can take it as this is our content that we want to copy from the internet. And this is our Word document. I have opened two things simultaneously. We will copy content as a picture. We will click on screenshot. Now you can see it is showing me two options. One is available window and second one is screen clipping. If I click on available windows, it will show me my all my opened windows. Right now I have opened another Word document and Zoom meeting reference. Suppose if I click on Zoom one, my whole Zoom window have a screenshot. I have a screenshot of my Zoom window. But my requirement says that I don't want full screen, I just want a part of it. In that case, I will go to insert, go to screenshot, screen clipping. It is in grayscale or in some delighted content. Select my portion, I will select my portion, and you can see I have content at my side. This way you can pick information as a picture from the internet and place it in your document, and later on you can again modify it as a picture only.
So after taking the screenshot, we can modify it, right? Inside, I mean the text, we
It
can
is a
modify the
picture.
text.
No. It is a picture only.
Okay, so just as a picture, we
We
can.
have. It means sometimes the necessity is this. We don't want to modify like some reading purpose. We want that content. Okay,
Yeah.
so in that case, this is sometimes we just want some pictures and they don't allow us to download.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
In all cases, this screenshot is quite helpful.
Okay. So like it won't be the same like if they're allowing the copy and paste, there we can do a lot of changes, right? But this is the thing, it is just like a picture we'll be taking, screenshot things. Yeah. I got
Screenshot, yes.
uh,
And
I was actually thinking of when you asked the question, I was actually thinking of that, okay, there must be something different where we can do that.
because actually it is quite helpful, because sometimes you just want to take only a few part of anything. You don't want
Yeah.
full screenshot, you just want a few part of anything. In that case, screen clipping is very helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, I hope this thing is clear.
Yes.
So all the tabs and the insert picture will work with it.
Yeah.
When,
Yes.
however we want to manipulate it or modify it,
Yes.
we can.
Sometimes we just take things and some watermark is there. Okay, and if you adjust their contrast or brightness, you will find that by losing some quality, you are able to hide that watermark also.
Okay.
Yeah. I tried this. Okay. Another helpful option in insert tab is hyperlink. As we surf on internet, when we click on any word, our control is shifted to another web page. This thing happens at every website that we visit. We can do this in Word also. First of all, I would like to save it. Save as a desktop. Okay. This is my main document. Suppose I have two files already named, which I have named first and second. And here I am writing this content. First, second. What I just want that when I click on first, my first file should open, and when I click on second, my second file should open. It means I don't need to again go to first file, second file. I have made a list of my files and arrange them in another file. Simply by clicking, I can open them. This is an option, you can say rearrangement or handling your things. Simply select your content. From the insert tab, there is an option link. Click here, and you can see here is the text to display. If you have not added any text, you can write at this place. Then choose your file which you want to open. Right now I just want first. Okay, now my text is in blue color and has an underline. Again, I am selecting second, clicking on link, choosing the another file, second. Okay. When I am moving my cursor to first or on second, it is showing me that you must press control. When I am pressing control, my cursor is turned into hand shape. Clicking on this, I am able to open my document. Now you can see this is the first file. And if I made a backlink with the main file, I can simply go there. Insert, link. I am text to display main file. Making link with main. Okay. Now with the same thing, now I am able to move between these two files. If I am clicking on second, I can open second document. As I have not made backlink, so I can't go back from this position. Simply I have minimized it. Any doubt in this part?
This is very confusing.
Confusing. Hyperlink means creating it. So I am giving you a general example. Suppose you have a list of candidates, okay, who have sent you so many resumes. You have made different files of each candidate. You will make a file in a table format. Suppose like this. Here you have written different names. Okay, you now this time what you want that whenever you are clicking on Amit, the file related to Amit should open. This is your basic requirement. For that, what you will do, simply you will select Amit, go to insert, click on link and select the file where you have stored information related to Amit. Let it be our first file again as our first document. Okay. Now you have a link.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So if we want, I mean, we cannot store big things in one page, like the one you told, the resume of, or any documents of students. So like we can do this hyperlinking. In one page, all the name of the students will be there, and we can hyperlink each name of the students with their documents or personal documents, informations like that we can do.
Yes, you can also take it as like you are typing a book in which you have different lessons or different chapters. Then you will make files for different chapters. Suppose you are having 10 chapters, you will create 10 files. Okay, and in one file what you will do, you will list chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and make a link with each text with the chapter 1's link with chapter 1 file, chapter 2's link with chapter 2 file, so that it is convenient for the reader to move between these files.
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
Okay.
This is just to handle, very organizingly handling
Yeah.
document. Yeah.
Document.
Yeah.
When you just want to go, so what happens when you write, and suppose you are writing an article and in between writing you are referring something which is related to other thing, and you have made suppose you have written another blog on that article. So when you are writing that particular word, you can select that component, make a link with that blog also. Things
Yeah,
work
that's
a
what
lot.
we see in the blogs, right? In the middle of
Yeah,
the
yeah,
text,
yeah,
there's
yeah.
some blue
Yes, yes.
text, and we
This
click
is the
there. And
hyperlink. We
okay.
can make it like this.
Mm-hmm.
Right now we are just making link with the files, and you can create a link with the web page. You have the option there. Okay. I think meeting will start in 5 minutes. Can we restart it?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, we can.
Oh, okay. Okay. So we were working on this part. Again, we have two more option: cover page and blank page. Suppose you want, otherwise, if you want to add a new page, you just press enter and you are on the second page. And immediately, if you want to add one blank page, click here. New pages will be inserted in your document. In case you want to design a cover page, for that you have an option cover page. Like we have templates, this is similar to our templates. These are the pre-designed cover pages. Like you want to create a cover page for your book, you are creating a report, you are creating a project file. For these options, you can opt this cover page option. Choose any type. Suppose I am picking this one. It has predefined style. How the thing is, you just need to modify it. Simply click on any element and change it. For example, I am taking it as project report. The benefit of taking this predefined cover page is that you don't need to think about the style, how the other options will work. These are the pre-formatted, pre-designed. You can use them as it is. If you don't want any thing which is not required, simply select it and delete it. This thing. And if you want to add, you can add it. You have number of options. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. To remove this cover page, simply click on remove current cover page. Your cover page will be deleted. Again, there is an option drop cap. Suppose you are writing a content, you have seen this option in newspapers. I have to copy it so that I can use it. Okay. I have, suppose you are writing a long content and you want to highlight few initials. In this case, select your content, pick option drop cap. Right now it is selected as none, and you can see we have two styling option. In first one, you can drop your letter like this. It is like your first letter will be highlighted and 3 lines are dropped. And if you want to customize it, click on drop cap option. Right now it is taking 3 lines. If you want to increase them, 5. Okay. Can you see the difference?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Another drop cap option is in margin. It means your first letter will be separated from the entire content. First one is highlighted and rest are along with it. In the first one, first initial was dropped as per the number of rows that you have selected, and but in second, it will be aligned as per the whole content. See, we have selected, we have left 2 lines, and dropping cap this thing. In margin, by default it is taking 3 lines. If we increase it from this option 7 lines, it will move to 7 lines. And one more thing, if you want to create a difference between this initial and other text, just increase this distance from this place. And if you don't want anything like this, keep it none. Along with it, you can see we have a option object. Object means, suppose I am using Word and I just want to use some options of MS Paint. Instead of opening Paint and using Paint's toolbox and other content, I can open Paint inside MS Word. The thing is, you have to click Object. Yes, you can see there is a list of the different software which you can embed in your MS Word document. Here I am picking bitmap image. Okay. Bitmap image is what paints pictures. As you can see, I have this window. I am expanding it. Suppose I am writing something. Paint. Okay. Once your work is done with this part, close this window. You will see content is placed in your document as a object. Again, you can see when you click on format, it will be as a picture only. You can crop it, like you can see we have so many empty space. Along with it, go to crop option and remove this empty space. Format, crop, as we have reduced its size. In this case, in this type, we can place it anywhere, easy to handle this thing. This way you can manipulate other things. You can play, if you have a, right now we have created this file as a new file. If you have any already inbuilt paint file or any other document, you can also place it as an object by using the same option. For example, insert, go to object, create from file, and from this location you can pick a file whose content you want to place inside your document. Let it be main that we can just created and insert. Okay. We are in main and we are copying the content of main. That's why we are having this duplicacy of data. Did you get this tool or is there any problem?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I got the tool, but I understood that
Yeah.
this one browsing things. I understood that if we have something already saved and we want to put it in the Word, then we can simply browse it and put it. But I want to see those
Paint.
other options. You choose that bitmap thing. So any other option you can, if you can show me.
In create new acrobat bitmap is the easy one. Suppose we just want Excel chart or Excel worksheet. We just want to create any Excel sheet inside Word document. pick Excel worksheet. Okay. Excel sheet is here. On the top bar, you just see the difference. I have the options of Excel now.
And we can do our work in this Excel sheet,
Yeah.
right?
See, I am doing it.
Okay.
It means without opening any other source of Excel, I am just opening it here. And when I click outside it or close that window, in both cases, my object will be inserted in my Word document.
Okay. Yeah, understood.
Okay.
So we can do two things. Either we have any Excel sheet which is already saved, we can put it here, browse and
Yes.
put it here, or else we can make a new Excel sheet and we can put our documents here,
Yeah.
information here.
Suppose right now I'm creating, I want to insert Excel sheet, but which is created earlier. So I'm picking create from file, picking it from, do I have any? See,
Yes, understood. I mean, we can either we can do it from the saved files, or we can create a new Excel sheet anytime.
yes, I think the file is lengthy and it is taking time. Okay,
That's okay.
mm,
Yeah.
macro file. Okay. Um, these two options are equation and symbol. I have to stop this thing. Yes. First one is equation and symbol. From the symbol part, you can insert any kind of symbol like a trademark, copyright, something. Because in font, we have only styling option. You can't insert anything like this. It would be better because. Give me a minute. File is loading. Okay. Let's finish with this part. The file is lengthy and it is taking time, and Word is not allowing us to close it. It would be better if we open another file. Any doubt up to this point? Yes.
No, this is absolutely okay. One more thing, I'm just seeing up there is a signature line. So that is for doing any electronic signature, repeating the electronic signature. Is it like that?
Let me check. In insert option, na? Microsoft
Yeah,
signature. Yes.
the signature line. Just I can see that.
Email address. For example, any. Just I am typing from. Okay. Digital signatures are different from this thing. This means we have some here we have some predefined, or you can say easy quick parts. Company name, abstract, author, like this.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a part of this content only.
Okay.
Okay, and we were at this point. Okay. If you want to insert any theorem like this, any formula, mathematical formula, then we can opt these options. As they are difficult to write, you can directly place them inside your document. Simply pick it and place it.
I think your screen froze. I mean,
Let me check.
yeah, because I'm not able to, I mean, whatever you're writing, it is not reflecting on the screen.
Same here.
Are you able to see it?
Now we can.
Okay.
Now we can see. Yeah.
Okay. This is a part, equation part. These are the mathematical equations. If you want to insert them, just pick them and place them and use them.
Okay.
Simple.
So can we create anything from our own, or we have to select from them?
These are the predefined, and if you
Okay.
have to modify them, simply you can write anything. It means like you don't need to add again and again alpha, beta symbols and these things. As you can see, when we have inserted this theorem, we have lots of mathematical options on the top bar.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can pick as per again our need and use them. This is the same case with this what we call, let me erase it. With symbol, and these are the some few commonly used symbol, and if you want more symbol, click on more symbol and choose symbol of your choice.
Mm-hmm.
It will take time. Okay. Yeah.
Showing not responding. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And in this case, as you choose different font, you will be having different symbols. Every font has a different kind of symbol. Choose select a font, select
Okay.
styles, then you'll be having simply click them and click on insert tab. Suppose I just want to add this copyright symbol. I click on it.
Yeah.
It will be inserted as many time I will click. As you
Oh,
can
okay.
see. Okay. This is quite simple one.
Yeah.
Okay. I think this part is clear. Now, suppose you are creating a document and you want to add watermark. For this part, now we are moving to design tab. In design tab, we have this option watermark. Select it and you'll be having such kind of predefined options. Confidential, do not copy. Select it and automatically watermark is inside your page. But sometimes we don't want predefined text. We want to insert our customized watermark. Then move to custom watermark. First, we are going to text watermark. I am writing text to be displayed. From here, you can choose font, color for your watermark, diagonal or horizontal, then apply. As you can see, watermark is applied in our document. In some cases, we just want to add any picture. The procedure will be same. Click on custom watermark, click in picture watermark and select picture of your choice. Difficult thing. Let's take a picture. At desktop, do we have any picture? Let it be. Insert. Apply. Close. As you can see, this picture will work as a watermark. So choice is yours whether you want to add a picture or you want to add text. If you again styling option or designing option is page color, select a color of your choice. Your page will be quite colorful. And if you want to add some effect, click on fill effects, one color effect, two color effect or presets. I'm choosing two color effect, picking two colors. And from here I am just placing diagonal values. This kind of thing, and or from center. This one. Okay. Now you can see a picture or fill effects will work as a background. Again, you can modify this option, transparency in some cases. If it is right now, we can just move to dark or lighter shade. But in some options, you will be having this transparency option. As you move to greater side, your content will be in darker. But if you move to lowest side, your content will be more visible. Apart from it, you can apply in background texture, any texture, or you can apply any pattern. For in pattern, again, you can choose different colors, mix them and apply them. They will work well. And the last option is again picture. Select a picture. Insert it and okay. You can place any picture, anything like this. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.
No, it's clear.
No, I think they are good.
Actually, even I was also thinking I'll ask today how to color a whole page if we are doing any, advertisement or banner or something like that. If you want to color a whole page, how do you do? So, anyways, I
Okay.
got that answer.
We will be having class tomorrow, but won't be able to take class on Saturday and Sunday. We'll try to take
Yeah,
on.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. So that's for now. If you have any query, you may ask.
No, as of now, I don't have any query. Let me try out something today. So, if I have any doubt, I can ask you tomorrow.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, are we
Thank
going
you.
to continue the word tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay.
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 Oh,
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
okay.
you,
Thank you.
Prabhu.
Thank you. Welcome.